Choosing the right satellite finder can save hours of installation time and help you achieve the strongest possible signal. Whether you're a professional installer, an RV traveler, or setting up a home satellite system, having a reliable signal meter makes all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 satellite finder meters of 2026, ranked by features, performance, build quality, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the GTMedia V8 Finder 2. This compact satellite finder supports DVB-S, DVB-S2, and DVB-S2X broadcasting standards, making it compatible with many modern satellite systems. Its bright 3.5-inch color display provides clear signal readings, while the convenient USB Type-C charging port offers faster charging and greater convenience than older models. The interface is straightforward, making it an excellent option for beginners as well as experienced users. It delivers dependable signal detection and accurate readings without adding unnecessary complexity. If you're looking for an affordable and dependable satellite finder for everyday installations, the GTMedia V8 Finder 2 is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is the SATHERO SH820 HD. This device goes beyond satellite alignment by combining a digital satellite finder with a built-in CCTV camera tester. It supports DVB-S2 satellite signals and works with AHD, TVI, and CVI security camera systems, making it especially useful for professional installers. The rugged construction is designed for fieldwork, while the responsive interface provides quick signal measurements and dependable performance during installations. For technicians who work with both satellite television and surveillance systems, this versatile tool can reduce the need to carry multiple testing devices. Taking the third spot is the V10 Finder Pro Combo. This model features a large 4.3-inch color LCD that makes reading signal information easy, even outdoors. It supports DVB-S2X, DVB-S2, and DVB-T2 standards, while offering H.265 HEVC decoding for compatibility with today's digital broadcasting technologies. USB Wi-Fi support allows for additional connectivity options, and the responsive hardware delivers fast satellite scanning with reliable accuracy. Its combination of modern features, excellent display quality, and smooth performance makes it a great choice for both advanced DIY users and professional installers. Our runner-up is the Satlink ST1510. Satlink has built a strong reputation among satellite professionals, and the ST1510 continues that tradition with an impressive collection of advanced features. Its bright 4.3-inch display, H.265 support, and compatibility with DVB-S2, DVB-T2, and DVB-C standards provide exceptional flexibility across multiple broadcasting systems. Support for QPSK, 8PSK, and 16 APSK modulation allows accurate signal analysis, while its responsive interface delivers fast measurements and stable performance in demanding installation environments. For users seeking professional-grade reliability, the ST1510 is an outstanding investment. Claiming the number 1 position is the GTMedia V8 Finder Pro 2. This is one of the most complete satellite finder meters available in 2026. It supports DVB-S2X, DVB-S2, DVB-S, DVB-T2, DVB-T, and DVB-C standards, making it suitable for an exceptionally wide range of installations. It also includes H.265 video decoding and AHD camera support, giving installers additional flexibility while working in the field. The responsive interface, accurate signal analysis, durable construction, and broad compatibility make this model an excellent choice for both professionals and serious enthusiasts. If you're looking for the best overall balance of performance, functionality, and long-term value, the GTMedia V8 Finder Pro 2 stands at the top of our list. Those are our picks for the top 5 satellite finder meters of 2026. If you found this review helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product rankings and buying guides. You'll find links to all 5 featured products in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.